Yeah, we start way back in the architectural phase with the architect, the early design phases. We work with the architect to engineer the products to meet the applications and the performance for each project. Well, today we're at our installer workshop. This is one piece of our support for the subcontractors that are installing our products, showing them tips and tricks. We also have field supervision and technicians that can go out to the field and assess any situations that may arise during the installation.
We're from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We work, so we're caulking, fire stopping, and we do expansion installations. So we typically work in hospitals where you would find parking garages. So we work in jails, so you have a lot of concrete, slab to slab expansion joints. There's no better installers. So learning from you guys is the most beneficial part, really. And being able to ask questions while we're installing them too, right? That really helps because we can take that back now and not only do it ourselves, but teach other people too, right?
When purchasing construction specialties expansion joint systems, from design to bidding to supply and install, we have the expertise and the experience to make sure that it goes smoothly for all parties involved.